Signage is intended to be unequivocal, as any alternative reading could be disastrous, car pilot, or embarrassing, entering the wrong room. How does signage do this? Well, as signage has to be accessible to many people, it has to be visually simple. Signage has to abstract complexity into a graphic that can be learned to mean what it is designed to mean. People have to learn that. When they see the particular example of signage, it means this now. This learning is achieved with other forms of graphic design outcomes, such as the highway code books to visual displays on notice boards are the key to the signage used within a particular context. People have to have contextual memory that at different times of day, different forms of signage address different pieces of information to them.